Hey guys, I'm Sunika. In today's photography tutorial, I'm in the mood for some portrait photography, and this time I've set a challenge for myself that I will click all my images in black and white. So let's get creative. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sunika and let's get straight to work and start taking some black and white portraits. Most of them will be self-portraits. Let me see what I can do.
First, I am going to use the natural window light coming from these windows in my home. So I will just stand against the window, take a bit of a close-up shot and pose. Since it's a self-portrait, I will press the remote when I'm ready. With this same window light, I will make another expression of maybe sadness. You can try out many expressions, guys. Now I will use a prop, this dupatta. I'll just drape it over me and take a close-up. Again another close-up, and I will place my finger on my lips and give a cool expression. Opposite to my window, I have these curtains which make a nice backdrop for my photos. So let me use it. I have this table lamp which I will place right above my head to get a threatening look in my portrait. Now I will take a close-up and place my hands like this to highlight the eyes. The window light gives me nice catchlight in the eyes, which I want to emphasize. Once again, I will use my black dupatta and drape it to one side of my face. Go close. If you have a bad hair day, don't worry. Just let your hair fall freely in that messy way and click a portrait. Remote always helps when you are clicking alone. Again, with my curtain background, I will pose. I am going to use an external flash, this time with a diffuser as the light source. It is attached to my camera directly in front of me and lighting me from above my eye level. I will keep my settings such that I cancel all the light coming from the window. So let me lower the shutter speed till I get a fully black image. Once I get that, I will turn on the flash. I will place a white cloth in my hands so that the light reflects beneath my chin, and with the remote I will click. I will place the flash off camera to 30 to 45 degree angle on one side and click the same portrait. To bounce the light, this time I have stuck the white cloth to my cupboard with some sellotape. Similarly, I will place the flash behind my face to light the short side of my face, meaning I will light my face from the side away from the camera, slightly above eye level. I have moved my table against the wall. I will sit down here and pose as if I am looking up. I am only using my room's ambient light here. I will place a glass full of water in front of me such that I get a reflection of my face in it and make a dramatic portrait. I'll use this pencil as a prop Just hold it in a funny pose and click. Again, this is clicked in the room's ambient light. On the glass of my cupboard, I have sprinkled some water, and again I have my flash attached to my camera with a diffuser, but this time I'm gonna bounce it from the ceiling. I will click a through the glass portrait.
Whoa, that was fun. And black and white photography does take away the color from my images, but it gives such a lot of drama, emotion and texture to my images. Tension goes away from the unwanted elements in the picture, and I can direct the attention of the viewer towards the part I want to highlight in my image. We have to think differently in black and white, how we can convey our story best using only shades of black and white. And if my tutorial helped you do that, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you want more black and white photography tutorials. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous portrait photography tutorial. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.